I know that I usually just do bath bombs, wax melts, unboxings on this channel, but I am going to change it all up because there are so many other good things out there that we could actually be talking about. For instance, this CBD Cure. What is this? This is a line of CBD products that actually helps me with a bunch of stuff. So let's get into it. All right, so the first thing I have to show you is the CBD Cooling Balm. And I suffer from chronic pain, both migraines, back pain. I have scoliosis, so it's only going to get more degenerative as time goes on. But this is what it looks like outside of the box. It's really cool packaging. It actually looks like wood. So it's a wood grain design, which helps you pay attention to the fact that this is natural product. All right, so this is my old CBD Cure I've been using for a while. And this, whoops, is the way it comes brand new. So it's protected by this wrapping, and it comes with a little like spoon type situation. Now, when I open it up, let me go ahead and open it up so you guys can see. Take off the wrapping. It is, again, protected. Whoop. And then it looks sort of like this. It's a yellow type of balm. And this is my current one, which you can see looks like it's empty. However, the CBD is actually all in this ridge, so I still have plenty left if you really think about it. So I can go in here with this little scoop and scoop some of the CBD out. It is kind of, the texture is kind of like gel-y, but it really is a balm consistency. And there's even some kind of like little scrubby things inside the CBD Cure. I rub some on my back every night before I go to bed, and it helps with the cooling. It helps me not feel the pain anymore. It is kind of temporary for me, so it doesn't last all night, but as soon as the pain comes back on, I just apply some more, and there we are. CBD Cure works amazingly for my back pain, and so I had some, I was running low, had to order some more. So what else is in my bag? All right, so also in this bag, I have the CBD Cure RollOn. And this is what this looks like. It is filled with like a CBD oil type situation. I had one before, but it's gone. So you open it up. It's just a regular roll-on. So when you're rolling on, you don't see anything other but then shine. So what I use this for, believe it or not, and I have been trying to find something that cures my cluster headaches, which is a form of migraine. I just rub it right here on my eye, right in there where the pain starts, and literally the migraine, about 10 minutes later, it's gone. This is miraculous. It works for me. It is amazing. It's called the Cooling RollOn. It's 150 milligrams. And honestly, I've tried everything. I've tried all kinds of over-the-counter medicines. I've tried prescription medicines. I've tried Botox shots. This honestly is the only thing that works for me. Literally, I'm sorry, that's not true. I had a medical marijuana card, and marijuana works as well. I just don't like marijuana. My husband then found this company, and this stuff, if you suffer from cluster headaches, meaning a headache that starts like right in behind your eye and goes around, a few dabs of this for me, and it's gone. So I highly recommend it. Literally had one starting up this morning and put some on, and 10 minutes later, I was feeling better. I talked to my doctor about it, and she was really quite surprised that something like this would work, but she also saw the value in it. So no longer on any meds, no longer on the marijuana, no longer getting Botox shots. This is a miracle. For me, I was getting a migraine once every couple of weeks, sometimes once a week, that lasted 3 to 7 days. Like, it was really torturous. Now I only get one when I use this. It also cuts down on the amount of occurrences that I get. So therefore I get one. When was the last one that I tried to get? Probably 4 weeks ago. I applied a little bit of this, it was gone. And then this morning I felt a little bit coming on. I applied this on immediately, and 10 minutes later it was gone. So highly, highly, highly recommend CBD Cure. All right, what else is in my bag? So she sent a few freebies, one of which was, well, this lanyard, but one of which was some CBD gummies, but I was not feeling well that day, and so therefore I went ahead and used it that day, so I don't have to show you. But she also has water, which I've tried as well, and it was very surprising to me because I'd never seen CBD in water form. And so she included the CBD Cure water information this time. I already drank the water from the last time I got it. I did not get it in this package. And then the next thing that I got was a CBD antiseptic mist. And everyone's looking for antiseptic mists right now. And so this is for your hands. So another way of keeping your hands germ-free. This is a CBD Cure antiseptic mist. So you just spray a little on your hands. I haven't even opened it up, and I don't really want to right this moment, but I will for you guys. I will. So you spray it on your hands. The instructions are on the box. Just like any other antiseptic. Amazing. It smells fresh and light, honestly. And again, with the pretty packaging, this packaging is amazing to me, honestly. Actually smells really good. It's a fresh and light scent. So what else did I get? The last thing that I got in my package was just a free little pen, which is made with that wood grain type of situation. So really cute. Again, so we had the CBD Cure. I had a few little extra goodies in it, the lanyard and the pen. And then we got the antiseptic mist. Guys, this is worth it nowadays, right? Everyone's looking for some kind of antiseptic. We got the CBD Cure, which is probably my favorite. I'm sorry, the CBD Cure Cooling Roll-On, which is my favorite product that they have because literally it has saved my life. I've been suffering from migraines since, oh my gosh, more than 10 years. And this has been, this and medical marijuana have been the only thing that solve it. And this is quicker than medical marijuana because I have to smoke in. That's just, or put it in my food. I really hated the whole process. This is just a quick rub. I will tell you, it stings a little because it's a cooling roll-on. So it sort of like has the feeling of when you rub like those types of cooling things on your back, or you feel so you put on very lightly, not a lot. You don't want it to fall into your eye. They haven't suggested this. This is something that I found out on my own because I was desperate to find relief one day, and it turned out to be the best thing in my life. All right. And then of course we had the CBD Cure balm, which has like little tiny, like I mentioned, little scrubbies, maybe not scrubbies. I don't really understand what those are, but I'm just letting you know that they're in there. It's not like a total cream. It actually has a little bit of texture to it. And this is the CBD Cure. I have the open one and, whoops, the new one that came with a cover for your protection. All right, guys, that's it for CBD Cure. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.